debt we have borrowed to raise the capital. These are the source of the company. So this is the market value, this is the book value, whatever the difference comes, that's called market value added. Capital investment, here capital investment means equity share capital reserve plus profit and loss account. So what is the specific cost of equity share? Dividend divided by market price of the share into growth rate. Hello my dear students, I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Financial Management 2, 6th semester, Unit 5, Session 2 in favor of BCom. We are having shareholder value creation. In the last session, I have explained the detailedly about the shareholder value creation. So before going to some more problem, I will explain what is actually shareholder value creation. So the company will give the share to a shareholder. See that if the share value rise, 100 rupees become 115. Naturally, the cost, we say when you contribute the 100 rupees, you become a shareholder of the company. You are the owners of the company. So you have got some status in the society because you are worth of rupees 100 rupees. Now 100 rupees has raised to 5,000 because of the heavy demand from the company. It has been raised from 100 to 5,000 mean your capital has been raised by 4,900, which is considered as a capital gain. So, who will give the shareholder value? Who will create the value? Company will give as a dividend. When they give the dividend, no, assume that the company has got about 1 lakh rupees as a profit. Out of that, 40,000 goes to dividend. So what is the balance left over? 60,000. Company is having 10,000 share. So 60,000 divided by 10 is 6 rupees per share is a dividend. The value of the share already available in the company is about rupees 50. 50 plus 6 is 56 rupees today. If you have got 100 share, 100 into 56, 5,600. So that is the way you are going to create the value. So your what's called the value in the society will be raised automatically. You will be recognized. So here shareholder value creation, no, your value will be shareholder value will be created in the society because there are good companies. To become a shareholder is a boon. So everybody can see if you get a share there now, definitely your capital will be raised in such a way because there is so much demand for the share. In the society, they have got so much demand for the share. So that the value has been created by the company, your financial stability will be raised. So now we are going to solve some more problems on the value creation, how the problem goes. Here, economic value added is equal to net profit after taxation minus capital investment into weighted average cost of capital. This is weighted average cost of capital. So, weighted average cost of WACC, weighted average, this is called WACC. Weighted average cost of capital. So we will give the way. What are the source of the company? General source are equity shareholder, preference shareholder, retained earning, profit or reserve. Fourth is the debenture. Which are the 4 sources are? One is equity share. Number 2, preference share. Number 3, retained earnings or reserve, we can say. Number 4, the debenture. Debt we have borrowed to raise the capital. These are the source of the company. So net profit after tax minus capital investment means equity share capital plus reserve. Weight will be given. So we will add the figure, total figure will be added and that total will give the weight. We'll give the weight for the how much equity share is percentage is there, how much preference share is there, that weights we are going to give. We'll explain. The current market value of equity is 3 lakh, value of the debt is rupees 2 lakh, book value of the equity is 1 lakh, book value of the debt is rupees 80,000. So market value plus here is what's the market value added here? Problem, what's the market value added? Here, What's your equity? Here, no formula. Your equity is 3 lakh. The market value. Market value. Market value. First is the equity. Market value of the equity. How much? 3 lakh. What is next one? Value of debt. Market value of debt. Value of debt 2 lakh. Totally market value becomes 5 lakh. Minus book value, balance sheet values. Book value. Book value of equity. Equity share. Book value of equity is 1 lakh. Then debt value. $80,000. It is 1,80,000. Deduct. It is 5 lakh minus 1,80,000. 5 lakh minus 1,80,000. 5 lakh minus 1,80,000. So 3,20,000. What is this? Market value added. Market value added. So this is the market value, this is the book value, whatever the difference comes, that's called market value added. So whatever the value available in the balance sheet is called book value, whatever the value available in the adjustment is called market value. Say that how much has been raised to the extent of 3,20,000. Then we'll come back to EVA now. Here, EVA we have explained net profit after taxation minus capital investment WACC. Here now, your EVA, net profit after taxation, net profit after taxation minus capital investment into WACC. What's the formula? Net profit after taxation minus capital investment. Here capital investment means equity share capital reserve plus profit and loss account into WACC. Come back here according to your plan. What's your net operating income after, assume that is after taxation, 20 lakh minus, what's your capital investment, 10 lakh into 8% means 0.08. WACC, 8% is equal to 20 lakh minus 10 lakh, 10 followed by 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 into 0.08 divided by 100. It is 10 lakh into 0.08 divided by 0.08. It is 80,000. 10 lakh, 0.08 is 80,000. Deduct 19 lakh, 20,000. What is 19 lakh? EVA, economic value added. 5 marks. Simple question, 5 marks question. Very simple you got. Now, this is another type of question you have got. The company has declared a net operating profit is rupees 40 lakh. It has the following structure: equity share capital 2 lakh, preference share capital 1 lakh, debenture after taxation is 2 lakh. Specific cost, equity is valuing 8%, preference share 10%, debenture 6% the same. So what's the total profit you have got? About 40 lakh you have got. They had companies having a capital structure of 2 lakh in the form of equity, 1 lakh in the form of preference share, 2 lakh in the form of debenture. Specific cost means equity weightage is now 8%, preference has occupied 8%, preference occupied 10% of the total value, debenture occupied 6%. I will explain now. Sources. Which are the sources are? Equity share capital, one is equity share capital. Number two, preference share capital. Preference share capital. Number two. Number three, debenture. Debt after tax. Debt after tax. What's your equity share capital? 2 lakh. 2 lakh. What is preference share capital? 1 lakh. What's a debt after tax? 2 lakh. Add the figure. Totally 5 lakh. You have got totally 5 lakh rupees. Now, give the weight. 2 lakh divided by 5 lakh. 2 lakh divided by 5 lakh. 0.4. 0.4. Then 1 lakh divided by 5 lakh. 0.2. 2 lakh, 0.4. Weightage. So 40%, 20%, 40%. So weightage 0.4, 0.2, 0.4. So they have given the specific cost. Equity 8%. Preference share 10%. This is 6%. So your weights are for this. What is the total value of the equity total amount? You have got 5 lakh. 2 lakh means 40% occupied by equity, 20% occupied by preference share capital, 40% occupied by the debt capital, totally 5 lakh if we take the percentage. Then here no specific cost, 8%, 10%, 6%. Just multiply. 8 fours are 3.2. So 10 twos are 2. 6 fours are 2.4. So 3 plus 2, 5, 7.6. This is your WACC. Weight. 7.6. So how we have done? See that you got, which are the three sources are? One is equity, one is preference share, one is the debt capital, debt after tax. If the before tax is there, then you have to make the after tax this percentage you have to make. Then here 2 lakh is there, 1 lakh is there, totally 5 lakh is there. How much is occupied? 2 lakh divided by 5 lakh is 0.4. 1 lakh divided by 5 is 0.2. 2 lakh totally. This is 1 point will come. So here specific cost is 8, 10, 6, multiply 3.2, 2, 2.4, WACC is equal to 7.6. You'll go with the problem. Your problem says no. What's your net profit? 40 lakh. What's the question he asked? Calculation of VAC. It has detailed. EVA. We can work out here. EVA is equal to net profit after tax minus capital investment into WACC. Is a problem. Net profit after taxation So here your net profit after taxation here now. Net profit after taxation, EVA, you can work out. Net profit after taxation is 40 lakh minus your capital investment is 5 lakh into your weighted average cost is equal to 7.6. This is 40 lakh minus 5 lakh into 7.6, 38 lakh. Difference is 2 lakh. I will explain. Net profit after taxation is 40 lakh. Your value is the 5 lakh and we calculated the EVA here. You calculated 7.6 into 5. It works out 38 lakh. Your profit after taxation is how much? 40 lakh. 38 is capital employed. How much EVA? We have got here calculation of EVA. Economic value added. Your EVA is how much? 2 lakh. Profit after taxation 40 lakh. Your capital employed is 5 lakh into 7.6 is 38 lakh. It works out 2 lakh. So you understand this one? Then regarding this now, you must be very careful here. Here they have given capital profit upon equity share cap 20,000 share 4 lakh, preference share 1 lakh, 8% debenture they have given, profit after taxation 1 crore 50 lakh. The market price of the equity is rupees 20, expected dividend is 2 per share, growth rate is 5%, tax rate is 50%. So the working note we are going to give here, equity share capital, specific cost, formula, dividend divided by market price of the share plus growth rate. This is the formula. So what is the specific cost of equity share? Dividend divided by market price of the share into growth rate. If the growth rate given in the percentage into 100, then only you have to add it. So if they given in the percentage, then you have to do dividend divided by market price into 100 plus growth rate. We'll go with the problem. Slowly we'll go with them. What's your market price of the equity? 20. Dividend 2 rupees. Dividend is 2 rupees. Market price is 20 into 100 plus what's your growth rate? 5%. So 25s are 5 2s are. This is 10%. This is 5%. It is equal to 15%. 10%, 5% is 15%. So this goes in favor of equity. Regarding preference share, whatever the percentage is given, let's call it, what is a preference share percentage? See that. What is a preference share percentage? 6%. That is 6%. Debt, debenture. What's the debenture value? Here, debenture is 8%. Have they given the taxation percentage? Here, taxation percentage is not given. Assume that it is after taxation, debenture 8%. Tax at 50% is given. So, you go with the debt value. So, debt is equal to 8% minus 50% tax, 4%, balance is 4%. Debenture after tax is equal to 4%. So this is the way you have to do it. First one, specific cost of equity, dividend divided by market price of the share into 100 into growth rate, preference share same percentage, debenture after tax 8%, 50% gone, it is 4%. You have to work out. That's a way you have to work out. Now, slowly we have to fill up now. Source. What are the sources? Are first one, equity. First is equity, 4 lakh. Equity is 4 lakh. What is next one? Preference share, 6%. Preference share capital. 6% preference share capital, 1 lakh. Then 8% debenture. 8% debenture, 3 lakh. Totally source workout, 8 lakh. Total source, which are the total source are? One is the equity, one is the preference, one is the debenture, totally 8 lakh. Now wait, 4 lakh divided by 8 and 50%, 4 lakh divided by 8 lakh, 0.5, 50%, 1 lakh divided by 8 lakh, 0.125. 3 lakh divided by 8 lakh, 0.375. This is 0.500. So 0.5, 0.125, 0.375. After tax you calculated 15% for this. Preference share capital 6%. Debt 8% means 4. Multiply 15 into 0.5, 7.5. 6 into 0.125, 0.75, 0.375 into 4, 1.5. Add 1.5 plus 0.75 plus 7.5, 9.75. This is 5, 9.75. So 15 into 5 is 7.5. Here 0.125 into is 0.75. 0.375 into 4 is 1.4. This is your WACC. 9.75. Slowly we have to apply the formula now. We'll go with this one. Place is not there. So profit after tax minus capital investment into WACC. What's your profit after taxation? 1 crore 50 lakh. 1 crore 50 lakh. 1 crore 50 minus what's your capital employed? 8 lakh into your WACC 9.75. This is 1 crore 50 lakh minus 9.75 into 8 lakh. 78 lakh. 8 lakh into 9.75. It is 9 8s are 72 lakh plus 0.75. 8 means 76 lakh. 6 lakh. 78 lakh. 78 followed by 50. 78 followed by 50. Deduct 1 crore 50, 150 followed by 50. 150 followed by 50 minus 78 followed by 50. 7 lakh 20,000. 7 lakh 20,000. That is your EVA. What's the procedure we made? Steps to be followed. Equity is 4 lakh, 1 lakh, 3 lakh, totally 8 lakh. Give the weight 0.5, 0.125, 0.375. After tax 1564. Multiply 7.50, multiply 0.75, multiply 1.4. It is 9.75. So profit, you can say profit after tax, EVA, profit after tax minus capital investment into WACC. Here, 1 crore 50 lakh is the profit after taxation minus 8 lakh into 9.75. It works out 78 lakh. 1 crore 50 lakh minus 78 lakh is 7 lakh 20,000. Here, economic value added. Hope you understand. I solved about 4 problems here. So this problem will come for 10 marks. 10 marks. And economic value added. Hope you understand that. We have solved about 4 problems and the theory we have dealt with neatly. Hope you understand this point here. And we have explained the problem also. We have explained the problem very detailedly. And this chapter cover only very simple. 1 5 marks question, 1 10 marks question. Hope you understand. We'll meet you once again in the next class. Till then, goodbye.